Hey guys, it's Dino. Game 21. This is the opening. You will see the opening that was really similar, like in many previous games. Really solid system, call system. And here, starting from this game, I'm not gonna tell you to stop the video after every move. Please do it for yourself, for your own progress. So d4, d5, knight f3, so here we could go c4, but this is call system. We are, as you probably remember, going to put this pawn to e3, play c3, bishop d3, queen e2, and then go for the push e4. So e6, e3, just as we intended to do, and now c5. This is a nice move because actually a pretty necessary move in this kind of position for black to free up his cramped position and put some pressure on the center. Now c3. This is familiar structure in this kind of an opening. Knight f6. And now bishop d3. Standard, really standard stuff. Knight c6. So this knight could go also to d7, and from that square also is going to put pressure on e5 and c5, and it can take if white decides to take with the pawn on c5, from here knight can capture, but this also is fine, putting pressure on the center. Knight b2 d2. As we have seen, this knight seems kind of awkward, but it is perfectly good square for knight to develop in this position, because after we push e5 and he takes, we're gonna take the knight, and all pieces are gonna come into life, because this bishop is gonna be ready to get into the game and all that good stuff. Bishop e7, and now castle. Castle as well, and now knight e2. So queen goes to the square where it is going to go for this push. Rook to e8, putting a rook on a file that is most likely to be opened. And now d takes c5. So with this move we are trying to distract this bishop from this side of the board, where from the king side, because most likely the attack is gonna go to the king side, because all of our pieces are oriented towards the king side, and we want to distract this piece away from the queen side. Also, this bishop is wasting the tempo because he moved from here, and now he has to move again to c5 to capture the pawn. Also, this bishop, when he comes here, is going to be unprotected piece, and always there are some tactics with unprotected pieces. Also, we're not going to play that, but we can get a tempo by going with the knight to b3 and attacking this bishop. So now, after bishop takes c5, we go e4. And now we get in this push, this essential push in this opening, and he plays e5. Also nice move, freeing up this bishop. Now we take, but we do it because we have some interesting tactics here, and the tactics are actually not immediately. We play first a knight b3, attacking this bishop. And also freeing up our bishop. Queen goes to b6, protecting and also putting a pressure here. And now we go with available tactics, because previously we couldn't done it, because this queen is protecting this knight, but after queen moves here, this knight is now unprotected, and we can go for this check and take. And that is exactly what happened in the game. So really nice tactics. Always think about it, unprotected pieces, and how you can take advantage of that unprotected piece. So now after we took bishop f8, this bishop was attacked twice by the queen and the knight, and he goes to home. And now we go knight g5, attacking this, threatening to take this rook. So we don't give black a chance to breathe, time to breathe, and we try to attack him with every move. Really important. Now bishop e6, and now we go to e4 with the queen, also attacking. Now g6, protecting that. And now we go bishop queen h4, again attacking. You see, we have initiative, we are dictating what black is going to play. Now he plays bishop g7, protecting everything. Seemingly he's safe now, but we play bishop e3. We cannot continue to attack, that's why we bring more pieces into the game. Now queen goes to c7. I think, let me check. No. Queen goes to a6. Queen a6, and now we go knight c5. Attack both queen and the bishop. And this is calling for some trouble, as you will see. Queen c4, trying to exchange some pieces and take some bread, because after exchanging pieces the attack is gonna be much weaker, so that's always a good idea in this kind of openings. So first we give a check, because we don't want to exchange pieces, and also we are trying to start some attack with this check. And now after this check we play knight c to e6. Why do we play this? Because after he takes, we take with the queen here and threaten checkmate, and after he actually played this move, and we finish him by giving a check here, and this is over. if he goes here, we're gonna take the rook. If he goes here, we're gonna take here, and it is pretty much over. So that would be it. I hope you pause the video on every move. Think about it. Think about it. Think about the moves. As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and donate if you can, and see you in the next video.